Hello dear subscribers, today I'll tell you how you can fix this problem. So here you can see it. Sorry, we couldn't connect to our login server. Please confirm you have an internet connection and try again in a moment. So first thing you can try to close Instagram and open it again. And if it doesn't help, if you still have the server, so just go to the settings, and in the settings you need to find Wi-Fi. If you use Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So another thing you can try to open mobile data or cellular data. Just try to turn it off and turn on again. So another thing you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait for a second and just turn it off. So after, just go to the general, in the general just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait for a second and just power the phone again. So just simply restore your phone. And the latest option you can try to update your phone. So just go to the general, in the general just open software update, and if you see here available updates, just tap on download and install and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and goodbye.